Hey everybody, today I'm going to read Act 3, Scene 3 from Divided Loyalties, The Barton Family During the American Revolution, written by Gare Thompson, illustrated by Barbara Kewok. I am published by the National Geographic Society. Act 3, At the Dock. Narrator. It is early morning, and the Barton family, except for William, is gathered at the dock in Burlington. They are getting ready to board the ship that will take them to New York. Frantically, Abigail and Ben search for William in the crowd. Their distress is mirrored by the troubled looks of Robert and Mary. The sadness of the moment weighs on all of them. Robert. Come on now, let us move ahead. We must board the ship. We cannot miss it. Abigail. Oh, please, Father, just a few more minutes? Ben. Yes, we were hoping William would come to see us off. Mary. I think he considers us the enemy now. Enter William. No, I don't, Mother. Ben, you look so grown up today. Ben. William, I like your uniform. Robert. So, William, you are still committed to the rebel patriot cause, I see. William. Yes, and I am still your son. I can help you if you stay. Robert. No, we must leave, but I'm glad you've come. I'm sorry for what I said to you. You will always be my son. Here, take these keys. The house and the store are yours. They have served us well. You will have a business to come back to after the war. Mary. We will send you letters there. I pray you stay safe. Remember, we love you. William. I am a patriot, Father, but I shall always love and respect you and Mother. I pray that we will all meet again in happier times. William watches them board. They wave from the deck. Epilogue. The Barton family went to New York and then on to Canada. Abigail immediately began writing to her brother. William fought in the war until it ended in 1781. He was wounded, but not seriously. He suffered more from the cold, the lack of food, and the hardship of the winter months. The family remained in Canada, and Robert started a successful trading business. Abigail married a Canadian merchant. After the Revolution, she moved back to America with her husband. She kept in touch with her brother, William. Ben stayed in Canada and worked with his father. William became a successful lawyer in New Jersey. He married and lived in his old home in Burlington. William saw his parents and Ben a few times after the war. William and Abigail and their families kept in touch throughout their lives.